Good morning, dear kids. I hope you all are doing well and have completed your previous work also. Okay? So, let's continue today's class with the topic our solar system. Dear kids, our solar system is located on the one side of the Milky Way galaxy. Okay? What is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge group of stars that contains billions of stars. Okay? And the solar system consists of the sun, planets, dwarf planets, moons and some other objects. The sun is the center of our solar system. Alright? And the sun is surrounded by 8 planets, over 61 moons and some other heavenly objects. Alright. So, there are 8 planets in our solar system. What are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun or any other star. A planet does not have heat and light of its own but reflects the light of its closest star. There are 8 planets as you know. So, one exercise is also there. We will do complete that. We are living on Earth and Earth is the one of the 8 planets. Okay. So, you can see there is one exercise. List the planets. List the 8 planets of our solar system. And in your book, all the planets explanation are given here with their numbers also. Okay. So this planet is also called the red planet because it looks red when seen from the earth. This planet is Mars and that is 4th number. Okay. So we will fill it here in 4th number. Okay. Second is this is the second closest planet to the sun and also the hottest. This planet is Venus. So we will fill Venus in second order. Okay. Here we will fill Venus. Next is this is the smallest planet and is closest to the sun. This planet is Mercury and it is in first number. So we will fill Mercury in first number. Okay. Then next is this is known as the blue planet and supports life. This planet is Earth. Dear kids, we live on Earth. So we will fill this on third number. Okay. Earth will be on third number. Next is this is the 7th planet from the sun and also the coldest in the solar system. So this planet is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet. Okay. Next is this is the largest planet in the solar system. This planet is Jupiter. So Jupiter will be in 5th number. Next is this is the last and the farthest planet in the solar system. This planet is Neptune. So Neptune will be here in the last number, 8th number. Okay. Last is this is the second largest planet in the solar system and looks different from the rest because of its rings. This planet is Saturn. Saturn can be easily identified by its rings. Yes. So this will be in 6th number. So now we have filled all the planets here in the list. Alright. So let's revise it. First is Mercury, second is Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. If you remember this mnemonic, then it would be very easy for you, right? My very excellent mother just sent us noodles. You can write the names of all the 8 planets in their correct order from the sun. The first letter of each of these words reminds the first letter of a planet's name. My very excellent mother just sent us noodles. So my M. M for Mercury. Very. V. V for Venus. Excellent. E. E for Earth. Then Mother. Mother M will be Mars. Just J would be Jupiter. Scent S would be Saturn. U from us, that is Uranus. And noodles N would be Neptune. So my very excellent mother just sent us noodles. You can easily remember the planet's name with its order. Alright dear kids, I will share one video also along with this video. So kindly watch that also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.